Hey everyone, this is BroSmart and in this video I'm going to show you the best VPN apps for Android. So without a further ado, let's get straight into the video. The VPN apps will hide your IP so you can remain anonymous and private, help you keep your personal data safe and secure, and bypass geo restrictions. The first VPN app on this list is ThunderVPN. ThunderVPN is one of the newer VPN apps. It has a lot of good features like unlimited bandwidth for free, no logging or user tracking, and it hosts servers all over the world. The user interface is also very easy. This one is a very decent free VPN app for Android and we should give it a try. Next is a very popular VPN app which is TurboVPN. TurboVPN is a free and unlimited VPN client for Android devices. You can unlock any geo-restricted apps or websites at anywhere, for example unblocking contents on Netflix, YouTube, Instagram, Hulu and a ton of other contents on the internet. The TurboVPN offers a free plan and a paid one. The free plan has almost all the servers like the US and UK, offers unlimited bandwidth with minimum 9 locations. It claims to unblock Netflix but most of the time it doesn't. It doesn't have the speed and features or platform support, but if you're looking for a free VPN app with a good rating just to unblock sites, then TurboVPN is best for you. The next app is ExpressVPN for Android. This VPN app is extremely user friendly and offers a lot of features. It is an excellent VPN app for Android. The Android app provides high speed servers across 94 countries and it is compatible across phones, tablets, Kindles and Android TV boxes. What I love about this company is the wide collection of video guides on how to use their apps properly, as well as 24/7 customer support by live chat. ExpressVPN is definitely not the cheapest VPN app, but it may be worth of price for those who want the best Android experience. There is also the free 7-day trial. On number 3, I present you the TunnelBear. It is one of the favorite and one of the highest rated VPN apps on the Play Store. From a cool design to this cute bear, the VPN app is beautiful. The app is easy to use and I hope you will like it. The Android app gets the 256-bit OpenVPN encryption, which means your traffic and you importantly is secure. The TunnelBear VPN app is also an affordable one. The free version gives you 500 MB per month, but you can upgrade it to unlimited for only $9.99 or $59 per year. Another thing I really love about the app is you don't have to log in with your email ID, and again it's great. Okay, now it's time for the number 1 VPN app. The NordVPN app is a new VPN app for me. I read about it in online reviews but never used it. After using the app for the first time, I was surprised. It has the best minimal design and the speed is really high. It is definitely not free and doesn't belong to this list, but if you are looking for a really good VPN app for Android, NordVPN is a one-stop option. It also has a zero logs policy, meaning it doesn't track users' online activity. The Android app is easy to use but basic and doesn't have the customize option. It doesn't have the turn off button. It also offers the 7-day trial and 30-day money-back guarantee plan. That was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do enjoy, then give this video a like and also subscribe to BroSmart for more interesting videos just like this one. Also follow me on Instagram at BroSmartYouTube for awesome photos and behind the scenes stories that I posted daily. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is BroSmart and I will see you in my next video.